Assalamu alaikum. This tutorial is for beginners how to make front post and back post. I have made this double crochet like this. First I made the chain, and then in the chains I make this double crochet, and now I'm going to make back post and front post. So I have finished the raw hair, and now I'm going to turn. Now I'll chain 2, 1 and 2, and now I will make a double crochet into the next chain like this here. And now I will make the front post. This whole thing is called post. See, in here, these are the posts, like 1, 2, 3, 4. These are posts. So first we will make the front post. The whole thing we will make it like this, like this. Bring it back and first drop 2 and then the next 2 again. Now we will make the back post. See, this is the post. Now we will go back, from back to come back to front, and then take this like this. See, here like this. First drop 2 and then drop the second 2, and now again we will come back and make the front post like this. Here again to the next one. Now we will make the back post. Here. And again the front post. Now again the back post. These are called front post and back posts. Here like this. See, as you can see here, this is the front post, that's the back, and this is the first front post and back, front, back, front, back, and again I'm going to make front post like this. To make front post and back post, you have to make this double crochet. You know these things. This first row will be like this with a double crochet, and into the double crochet you will make front post and back post. This is front post and this is back post, because you go from the back, come to the front, and then go to the back like this. Here. And this last one is the front post. Like this. And the last stitch you will make double crochet. Here. It's like this. And now we will come back chain 2 and make a double crochet into the first chain. Now it's there is one back post and the other is front post, and then the back and front as they are you have to make as it is. Now first one is back post. We will make the back post like this.
No, today is fine.
And the next one is the front post. And then the next one is the back post. Just keep doing like this till the end. Again it's the front post. Nothing is difficult. It only needs practice. If you start anything, you will make it. So again it's the front post and the back post, and then the front post, and the last one is the last one is the back post, and again one more is the front post here. The last one is single crochet. It's a double crochet, sorry. So it's become like this. If you want to make borders with this, you can make with these posts, front post and back post, front post and back post. I hope you will like my video. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and follow it. Thank you.